This incredible washing machine from Bosch is perfect if you're looking for a brilliant quality model that is great for the environment and comes with innovative technology. It has a superb A++ energy rating, a 1400 RPM spin speed, and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. Bosch's intelligent iDos feature stores a whole bottle of liquid detergent and softener inside the machine. It automatically adds the right amount of each to a wash for you, so nothing goes to waste. And you'll save space as there's no need to store bulky bottles in your cupboards. This model's EcoSilence Drive motor is quieter, more energy efficient and longer lasting than normal motors. Because it uses frictionless magnets instead of noisy brushes to power the motor, it's great for open plan living, as you can use it any time of the day, even when it's movie night. If you're looking for an eco-friendly model with innovative technology, this brilliant quality washing machine from Bosch is the one for you.